Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here with a very exciting update that I've been mentioning over the last few weeks and we have actually been working on for the last few weeks, which is server-side exporting. Okay, now when we initially released Stoodaio, the exporting and encoding of our video process was all dependent on your computer and your web browser. So typically it was working best in Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. And also, if your computer was a little bit more powerful, it would encode and render the video a little bit faster. That is still the case for the majority of users. If you are just a regular front-end user, then the exporting and the downloading will take a little bit longer for you because it's all dependent on your internet connection, your web browser, and the specs of your computer. However, if you are one of our upgraded users, whether you are on our Stoodaio Plus level or you are one of our bundle customers, then you now have an additional option where you can have our servers render your videos for you, which will be consistently faster and also be consistent overall. So in terms of how fast the video gets rendered. So right now we're seeing it takes consistently about 2 to 3 times the length of your video for our servers to encode and render your videos. So that means that if you are one of our Plus members or our bundle members, when you get to this finished tab, you now have some additional options here. Okay, you can export the video on our server, which will allow you to download the video, or you can export on server and host the video. Okay, so these two options are still available for all users. So this will allow you to download or host the video with our hosting using your web browser. But if, again, you want it to go a little bit faster and be a lot more consistent in that speed, then you go ahead and use our server to do that process for you. And again, this is for our Plus members and for our bundle members. So if you have not upgraded to either a bundle level or upgraded to our Plus level, you may want to do that so that you can go ahead and get these options unlocked. Again, this will allow our servers to render your videos for you. So if I click on this, within a second, our servers starts to render and encode that video. Okay, and you can see here as well a new tab on the left-hand side that says Video Exports, and this is where all of your video exports will go. Okay, and once you do that, you'll see that there is a status symbol here which fills up this hourglass so that you know what is going on with the status of your video. But you can see here consistently, this one took 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 8 minutes, 6 minutes, 4 minutes. This one took 12 minutes and it's a bit longer of a video. So again, it's consistently taking about 2 to 3 times the length of your video for our servers to render your videos. But the best part about this as well is that you don't need to sit here and wait for this as well. You can go and click some on another tab and do something else. All right, but with the other option, you do need to keep your web browser the primary tab for the process to happen faster. Okay, but now with our servers handling your rendering process, you don't need to do that. You can go and click away and work on something else while your video renders. And you can see this one took 51 seconds and it was literally just 2 sentences that I wrote to show you how it works. So that's our server side exporting. It is now live. Much better, faster, and more consistent exporting of your videos. So if you'd like to unlock this on your account, I'll put links to our Plus level right below this video so that you can go ahead and upgrade to that level.